lesson. Lesson number 3, go around the forest. From this lesson, we are going to learn about trees that are near the house in the forest, and know about the fruits available in the forest, and develop the attitude of not felling the trees as they are ours. Realize the necessity of growing trees. So Sita lives with her family on the outskirts of a forest. So nearby the forest, who is living? The girl name is Sita. So besides her family, there are many of the families too. So not only Sita lives there, so even besides the Sita family, there are many of the other families are there. Sita loves the forest and trees in the forest. Now she will introduce the forest where she lives. Listen to her. So Sita loves the forest more. Okay. Now she is going to introduce the forest to us. So Sita, come, I will introduce my forest. See, here are teak, sandalwood, matti and honey trees. So many different types of trees will be there in the forest. So she is telling the different types of trees name. They are surrounded by creepers with fragrant flowers. So as I said, we can see many types of trees in the forest. Means there will be creepers, climbers, herbs and all, isn't it? Yes. So look at the monkeys swinging and snakes crawling on the trees. So even monkeys are swinging and snakes are crawling, and herds of elephants and deer. Herds of means group of. Some animals will go alone and some animals go in the group. So the herds of elephants and deer. Trees provide shade for all. So what the trees will give us? First of all, trees provide shade for all, isn't it? Yes. Oh, sweet fruits, have you ever tasted these fruits? Sita is asking to us, have you ever tasted these fruits? Next page. Trees provide shade for all. So trees provide shade for all. Oh, sweet fruits, have you ever tasted these fruits? Sita is asking to us. Okay. In the next page, come, taste these fruits. How big and beautiful is my forest? This is my sweet home. Because Sita loves forest more, so she is introduced to us forest. So she is asking, how big and beautiful is my forest? This is my sweet home. She is telling forest is her sweet home. Draw a circle around the fruits you have eaten in the picture given below. So in the picture you can see many types of fruits. If any fruits you have eaten, means you have to make it circle. Next page. Make a list of fruits which are available or grown in your locality. So not only in the forest, in our locality also we can see some fruits, trees, plants and all, isn't it? So what are those? We have to write here. Mango, papaya, guava, jackfruit, lemon, etc. So many fruits we can see in our locality. So children, as I say, in the forest we can see many types of trees and all, isn't it? So how the forest trees helps us? Yes, what we will make from the forest trees, the things obtained from forest trees for our daily use are, you can see in the picture also, wood, paper, gum, medicine, flowers, fruits, vegetables, then chair, table, window, ink, etc., etc. So next, in your previous class you have learnt about the trees. Name 10 trees that grow in your place. So here you have to write the 10 trees name. Okay, will you write, children? Yes, write the 10 trees name. So like in forest also we can see many types of trees, no? So as Sita said, teak wood, sandalwood, banyan tree, pongamia, neem, jambu, etc., etc. So many types of trees are we can see in the forest also. So next page. Make a list of 5 trees that grow in your place and in the forest. So here we have to write the trees name which is grow in our places and in the forest also. Okay. So what are those? So in our place we can see mango, peepal tree, neem, jackfruit, coconut tree, etc. In the forest also teak wood, sandalwood, bamboo, banyan, rubber, etc. Okay. Observe the trees in the pictures. Write two uses of each tree in the space given. Take the help of elders. So we came to know in forest also so many useful tree we can see. So many useful tree. So what are the uses of those trees? So teak wood, from the teak wood we can make outdoor furniture. So we have to write here two uses. Okay. And from teak wood we can make outdoor furniture, indoor flooring. Next one is sandalwood tree. Sandalwood used in the preparation of soaps, perfumes, used in cosmetics. Okay. And next, jumbo tree used in making jam and jellies. You all know, isn't it? Yes. Jumbo tree used in making jam and jellies, used in the preparation of medicine. So next is banyan tree, provide shade, pure air, used a medicine. So here you can see in the picture, children, see this is first picture is teak wood, and next is sandalwood, and this is jumbo fruits, we can see jumbo fruits and banyan. So next tree is Pongamia. So how we will use this tree? Used as medicine and in the treatment of skin disease and ulcer. Neem tree. Even the neem tree also used as a medicine and used as a mosquito repellent. And next tree is gooseberry. How we will use this? Used as we will use the gooseberry fruits, isn't it? Yes. And it is a good for eyes also. And bamboo used to make furniture and used to make toys. So here you can see, so this is pongamia tree and this is neem and gooseberry and this is bamboo tree. Okay, next. You already know the things obtained from the forest. What will happen if the forest is destroyed? Think and answer. Children, I said so many trees, fruits and all we can see in the forest. So, in the forest trees, from trees we will use, some trees make furniture from, and some trees we will use as a medicine, mosquito repellent for toys and all. Isn't it? If forest is destroyed, think, children, what will happen, isn't it? Yes, you have to discuss with your parents or your sister brothers. Okay. In the next page, answer the following questions in brief. First one is, what is forest? Write your opinion. So what is forest? Forest is a large area of land dominated by trees, and forest is shelter for animals and birds. It is very helpful to humans in many ways. Just only we have learnt we will use so many trees as a furniture, to make furniture, medicine, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Write the names of plants that grow generally in forest. What are those? Teak, banyan, peepal, rubber, sandal, etc. Next question. Write the name of 5 animals that live in the forest. You can write easily. In forest, what type of animals we will see? Wild animals. Yes, no? Tiger, lion, elephant, fox, gorilla, etc. Name 5 fruits that are available in the forest. What are those? Berries, tamarind, jackfruit, jumbo, mango, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Now we have to write 5 uses of forest. What are those? So many uses are there. We will use forest trees and trees, plants, everything for many purposes. Okay, in that we have to write 5 uses. And prevent pollution, increases oxygen level. We get fruits, flowers, vegetables from the forest, isn't it? Yes. To make furniture, we get medicinal herbs, plants and trees. Yes, no? Yes. Here one song is there, you can sing and enjoy, children. Next, we have to write the names of trees that are planted in the yard of your house or school. First only we have discussed, no, backyard. So that in the backyard what type of trees will be there, we have to write the names here. Coconut, jackfruit, banyan, tamarind, peepal tree, etc. So many trees we can grow in our backyard, isn't it? Yes. So in the next page, collect the pictures of trees from the newspapers, books, magazine, paste them in your used notebook. We have to collect the what pictures for pictures of trees. In newspaper also we can see many ads and all regarding trees, isn't it? Yes, we have to collect and we have to collage like this. So here we have to write name of the tree and usefulness. So we have to write tree name and usefulness. So neem, for what purpose we will use? Medicine. Mango, we will use fruit, mango fruit, isn't it? Yes. Teak, furniture. Aloe vera, cosmetic. Sandal, to make soap and perfumes. So below that we can see more than half of the plants and animals that lives on the earth depend upon forest and their survival. Even in forest, wild animals are living there, isn't it? Yes, forest is the shelter for that wild animals. Yes, no. Rate of destruction of forest is increasing. Though we live in towns, we depend on forest for food, cloth, fuel, medicines, building materials. Even for window, table, chair and all, we will use these teak wood and all trees, isn't it? So those type of trees, where it will grow, children? In the forest only, isn't it? Yes. It would be better if 1/3 of the area were forest, because we are depends on the forest only, so that it would be better 1/3 of forest will be there, isn't it? Yes. Many medicines are manufactured from forest plants. We can use so many trees, plants to make medicine also. Yes, and here we should write slogans about conservation of forest. How to save the forest, regarding that we have to write the slogans. So for example, we can write save forest and forest will save you. Next one, don't make tree rare, keep them with care. Next one, save the trees, save the earth. Yes, no, children? Yes. So the next, do you know this? Bamboo belongs to the grass family. Why? Because if you observe the bamboo tree, means you can see that it looks like grass, and that leaves also, isn't it? So this bamboo tree belongs to the grass family. Some plants grow from the leaves. So children, usually when we'll put seed or something, plants will be grow, isn't it? Plants will grow, but some plants are there, they are grow from the leaves, isn't it? Yes. Have you seen our children? No. Yes. Okay. So example is bryophyllum. So this is the bryophyllum plant. See children, on the bryophyllum leaves, again leaves are growing. So this, like only this bryophyllum plant will be growing, will be grow. See here also. So first leaf is there, on that leaf only again the leaves are generating, isn't it? Yes. So this is bryophyllum plant. Okay. Next, these seeds of mangrove plants which grow in the coastal region. Coastal region means what? Near the sea or near the any water body. That place are called coastal region. Okay. Later on seeding. So this is the mangrove plants. So these are growing in the water only, isn't it? Coastal region. Okay. So these are the mangrove plants. What will happen later on? Seedings fall on the ground. So first mangrove plants will be there. From that plant seeds will fall on the ground, again the plant will grow. Okay. The plants such as pitcher plant, drosera and cobra lily eat insects. Children, what is this? So will the plants eat the insects? Yes, children. So some plants are there, they will eat insects as a food. So that type of plants we will call insectivorous plants. The plants such as pitcher plant, drosera, cobra lily eat insect. They are called insect eating plants or insectivorous plants. For example, you can see here. So this is the pitcher plant. Pitcher. This plant name is pitcher. See, it is this pitcher plant is eating some insect here. And this is cobra lily. Cobra lily, why? Because cobra like snake, it looks like a snake, no, so that it's a cobra lily plant. And this is drosera. Okay, so these are the insectivorous plants, means these plants will eat insects. The seeds of cocodamar, the seeds of cocodamar is the largest seed in the world. It weighs nearly 18 kg. So that cocodamar seed is there. Cocodamar is the one of the plant, and in this plant we can see seeds, no, that one seed, it weighs nearly 18 kg. How much? 18 kg. Okay, so children, next you have to make the list of 5 national parks, 5 bird sanctuary and 16 wildlife sanctuary. Yes, already Karnataka has 5 national park, 5 bird sanctuary and 16 wildlife sanctuaries, children. In Karnataka we will get. Okay, yes. Next.